So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find 3-bedroom homes for sale here on Redfin. So once Redfin's opened up, I'm going to go ahead and use Las Vegas, Nevada for this example. You can go ahead and search up whatever area you're looking for. And if all looks good, go ahead and press on search. Now, once you guys go ahead and press on search, it'll hopefully bring you to the new page, which it does right now. There aren't any filters selected, so you're going to see a variety of different prices, a variety of different bedrooms, whatever the case may be. So for this example, we're looking for 3-bedroom places. So go to where it says bed slash baths and make sure that 3 is selected. Double tap it to make sure that 3 is the only one selected, and then press on done. Now your search will be refining to 3-bedroom units. Now, if you're looking for a specific type of home, so maybe a house, for example, you can make sure that house is selected. You can go ahead and press on townhouse. You can press on condo. Whatever the case may be, you can go ahead and make it as specific or as wide open as possible. And if all looks good, go ahead and press on done. And then your search will be refined to 3-bedroom homes for sale. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find 3-bedroom homes for sale on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.